Hey everyone, this is Jake and I'm back with our second demo video, this time on cohorts. In the next 2 minutes, we're going to build a multi-scenario customer portfolio using our model and cohort tiles. We're starting with a 24-month model that starts on the 1st of October and uses indexes as the periodicity and a model tile called sales. Our model tile has two inputs, new customers, which starts at 100 and goes to 150, and average monthly values starting at 1,000 and going to 1,200. We'll just run it quickly to test the output. Now we're ready to start our cohorts. We'll create a cohort tile called logos for the number of customers. In the cohort tile, we will define our retention profile. We've chosen every 6 months to change our retention. For example, at index 5, we expect 90% of the customers to remain. At index 11, we expect 70%. We can change that profile over time as we expect to improve our retention through, for example, commercial or product improvement initiatives. Next, we'll create another cohort tile called upsell. In this example, we expect that we'll be able to upsell to the customers that remain. So just like the logo tile, we choose every 6 months to change our upsell. We then add our initial expectations and subsequently where we think it will end up. So at index 5, we will upsell 10% and then another 10% on the original value at period 0. To link up the cohort tile, simply add in a column called cohort. We add our new customers as inputs into the logo tile and average monthly value for our upsell tile. We'll just give that a quick run. And so now we've run 2 cohorts. But what we're missing is MRR, and we can simply just multiply the logo cohort tile by the upsell tile, and that will immediately create a cohort for the MRR as well. So now we have 3. So what we've just done in 2 minutes is create 3 cohorts that help us model out our customer portfolio properly. We get high quality data that we can then use for our BI tools, our dashboards, or any of our reports. And then we get the pretty graphs that we all know and love. I could have picked better colors though. Sorry, not sorry. Our next video will cover Newton functions, which help you create fast, high quality financial statements. See you next time.